This is called a knock box, and this is how you clean out your portafilter for your next cup of coffee. And then you wipe it clean. Grinding your 18 grams of coffee. Once you're done grinding it, you'll put it back on your scale, and as you can see, we did a great job. We got it to 18.1, 18.2 grams of coffee. Now we're going to take this and we're going to go over to our Simonelli machine and put in our portafilter. And again, we're going to try to see if our grinding settings were correct to get us the 1-to-2 ratio of the 18 grams versus the output of 36. All right, our 18 grams-ish amount of coffee has been ground up, put into our portafilter. We've secured the portafilter really nice and tight. We put our scale here with our 2 receptacles for the coffee. Now remember, we talked about the ratio of 1-to-2. So 18 grams should get us about 36. And again, somewhere between 25, 30 seconds. If you're in 20-second territory, you're probably going to be good. But as always, we remind you, it's all about taste. So you've got the right ratio of ground up coffee into your portafilter. Your liquid extraction came out to a 1-to-2 ratio. Came out somewhere, I think we did this in about 26 seconds. So we're perfect. Now what we want to do is take our coffee here and we want to prepare it for serving. So a nice warmed up cup here right on top of our Simonelli 3-group head machine. We're going to put our espresso into the cup, pour it in. You can serve it to the client or customer just as is, but most likely they've asked for some sort of a milk product into their coffee. So before we serve it to them, we've got to prepare the milk. Just about to complete our cup of coffee for our customer. So we've got whole milk here. They've ordered a latte. We've talked about how to extract the coffee. The coffee is sitting on the side there waiting in its mug to marry up with the milk. So there's our whole milk that we're going to use in this particular case. We filled up our pitcher to around here, and now we're going to deal with our steam wand. What you want to do is kind of purge your steam wand quickly, get out any liquid. You want to get it to the steaming point. Pull out your steam wand here. Now in the Aurelia, this is a cool to the touch steam wand, so very important as you're working with these things to always be mindful of the heat that these things can give off. Put it in here, then we're going to come completely down. We're going to submerge our steam head. And what we're waiting for is with our hands to kind of feel until we just about can't handle the touch anymore. And we want to steam it to about 140 degrees. That's about it, right about there. We want to move our steam wand back down, purge it, get the milk product off of it. These rags are especially treated with a product that is just for cleaning milk off of a steam wand. Put it back, get it ready, and we should have a consistency, and you can't see it here, but a consistency of something equivalent to wet paint. So now and then you'll see baristas who are slamming it down. Maybe they made it a little bit too frothy. A few seconds ago we made our cup of coffee here with 2 shots of espresso. We're going to take it and now we're going to pour our milk into it. And what you want to do is lean the cup over a little bit, start your milk up, come up, give yourself a nice base to work from. And if you're really into the latte art thing, which unfortunately you can't get it in on camera here that what I'm doing, and we'll make a nice little tulip, or whatever you want to call it, mushroom in my case. But your coffee is now ready to be served, and hopefully it's to your client's liking. Jim Conti, New Jersey Coffee School, thank you.